the Galla app, and today we learn to create quotations. Here in the B2B navigation, you'll find the option quotations. Go to new quote. So this is the quotation form that needs to be filled. Here you will find that fields in red are required, so make sure you fill all these details. Select the subject, organization, okay, stage means if the quotation is in the stage of creation or is it approved. So what is the status of your quotation? You can click on it. As of now, let's say it's approved. Validity date, select accordingly. You want to save the address now because we are filling the address details here. So if you wish to save, click on this. If no, then just undo it. You want to keep the shipping address same as billing, so click on this. We'll click on both. Let's fill in the options. City, state, postcode, GST code, GST number. Alright, now when you scroll down, you will find items information. So search for the items. Let's say, select the items you wish to create for. Okay, so you can select as many as items you want. As of now, we are just taking 2 options for reference. Alright, so current stock quantity is shown here. Discount, how much you want to give, you can add in here. Let's say we want to give 5% discount. Text, it is like mentioned here. If you want to edit it, you can make the changes in this also. Alright, so all these details are filled. There are special terms and conditions. If there is something you want to add here, you can do that. Like, maybe you can add that this offer is only valid for repeat customers. Okay. Click on save. Quotation successfully added. Alright, so this is the quotation that we have just added. Now if you wish to delete it, just click on this bin and the quotation will be deleted. You want to view this quotation, click on this and you can find all the details here. These are the details that we just filled. Alright. If you want to make some changes, you want to edit the quotation that you have just created, then go to this pen icon and you can edit the details easily from here. Again edit and click on save. Okay. So that's how you can create the quotations with ease. Hope this helps. Thank you. Find these options. So if you want to download this quotation, you'll click on this download button. You want to make some changes or edit the quotation, you'll click on this and you can make the changes, like let's say the subject is changed or the address, city, whatsoever it be, you can make the changes from here. Other than that, you can click on this and print the invoice, and by using this option you can send it to the email. This option is to duplicate the quotation. So that's how you can use these options. Now here also you'll find the shortcut for editing the quotation. So simply you just want to edit something in the quotation, you can click on this and the same page will appear. You can make the changes here, maybe the address, maybe the state or GST code, something, whatever it is, you can make the changes and click on save. So that's how you create quotations. Hope this helps. Thank you.